Hi WordPress users, welcome to our channel. We have just upgraded WordPress Bulk Publish plugin, which allows you to import bulk audios or videos playlist in the WordPress posts or pages. So, first, install and activate WordPress Bulk Publish plugin. Next, you need to upload the audio or video files to your WordPress media library. Now, go to the plugin settings page by clicking the Bulk Publish menu under Post. Next, download and fill Excel or CSV import template from Settings page. Write Post Title in the Post Title column. To attach audio, put IDs attribute in the default WordPress playlist shortcode with type equals audio in the Post Content column. To attach video, you need to put by default WordPress playlist shortcode with type equals video and write the video IDs separated by comma in the Post Content column. You can set categories or tags by filling these columns. To attach a feature image in the post, you need to fill the image column. You can fill Yoast SEO or Rank Math title, focus keyword, meta description columns. Now, save your template and upload file from the plugin settings page. That's it, you have successfully imported bulk audios or videos playlist in the post or page. Isn't it great? Hope you have achieved some valuable information. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and for more information see the video description below.